Okay, we look at this question is similar to the previous question that we encountered, the one regarding orange sweet and the grape sweet. Okay, but in this question, they alter it slightly. In the sense now they are looking for the numbers of girl group must be equal to the numbers of boy groups. Okay. Okay. The earlier one, regarding the sweet, is the number of sweet per group per plate must be equal to the number of orange sweet must be equal to the number of grape sweet. Okay, that's a condition. But in this question, they change the condition. Okay, basically is this. They change the condition to this. Okay, now let's look at it in the same manner. For the 8 girls, you can split into 4 girls per group, and that's one group. Or for the 8 groups, each group is one girl. Okay, now if you want to consider this as the number of groups, okay, the number of groups, remember the requirement is the number of groups for each must be equal. So we will have to look at the number of groups, but bear in mind, for example, the factor 48 and 1 can be one group, but 48 also can be 48 groups. That means the factor itself, 1 and 48, can be the number of groups. Okay, so if I take that, the factor, and I list it down, this is what I get. Okay, similarly with the same reasoning, the same thing, but in this case we will look at, we use the number of groups. Okay, what you can see from here is interchangeable. I mean, whatever factor for 104 can be the number of groups. Okay, so you list it down here again. Then you say you want to divide them into as many groups as possible. That means if you want to find a common number, the largest common number between this group and this group. So obviously you can see that the number that is similar for both groups would be 8. Okay, now, so what is the largest possible number of groups that can be formed for both to be equal number of groups? So the answer would be, in this case, would be 8. Okay, now the girl groups, how many girls are there in each group? Now we look at the girls, 48. Okay, equal to 8 groups. Okay, 8 groups. Now to get 48 8 groups, it must be 6 girl per, sorry, this should be girl, 6 girl per group. 6 times 8, you get 48. Okay, so the answer would be, in this case for the girl, would be 6 girl per 6 girl per groups. Okay, if you want to look at the boy is 104. The largest number of group, for them to be equal number of group, is 8. Okay, 8 times 13, so there must be 13 boys in each group. Okay, so the answer for this would be 13 boys in each group. Okay, that's it.